Hello there and welcome to UK Lockpickers and welcome to the December giveaway, and this is our last video for YouTube, so please do make sure you get your names down because this is for everybody, not just our Facebook group but for YouTube as well. So it doesn't matter if you're from our group, but please check it out down below where I'm going to put a link for you to go straight there and sign up, because like I say, we're not doing any more YouTube giveaways, it's more Facebook giveaways, and that's where our last competition came from. We had over 200 comments, so for this video I would like to get as many likes as possible. If you're commenting, please do like the video as well, because apparently it really helps your channel out in the algorithms of YouTube. Anyway, it really helps the channel out, so please comment and do like the video and then check us out down below. So what we have got this month is two prizes: a UK Lockpicker set and another UK Lockpicker set, cylinder, Mortice. So yep, we're going to give you one of these sets and a practice lock, and then we're also giving you an acrylic padlock, a basic UK Lockpickers beginner set, and then you've got your more advanced intermediate lockpicking set with your 15,000s thick picks. You've got your rakes, your hooks, your rakes, and then again your hooks in a lot thinner profiles. So that is the giveaway for December. So again, please do comment and like, then check us out down below. And good luck everybody, and ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. This is our Christmas giveaway, so I'll try and get it posted before the Christmas break as well. Anybody outside the UK, there may be delays in it getting to you, but if you're in the UK, then hopefully I'll get it to you before the last posting dates. Thanks again for watching everybody, and see you in our group.